Hey, welcome back. We're out here at our camper doing a bunch of upgrades to get this ready for full-time living. And I just got sent this punch pad entry lock from ONNAIS. I'm really excited to install this. This uses a keypad entry instead of a traditional key, and it also has a key fob so that you can unlock it from the key fob. So I'm excited to try this out. Let's go ahead and get this installed on here and have a look at it. The old handle is removed really easily. There was only 6 screws in it to take it out. My first impression taking this out of the box is it does feel solidly built, and I love that it has actual buttons, not like a soft touch buttons, so you can actually feel yourself clicking the buttons. I do appreciate that. It seems to operate fairly well. Looks like it's going to install just like the other one came off, so let's go ahead and put this on there. Did notice sliding this in from the front side, this does have a nice rubber backing on it, so that'll keep that from leaking, which is always important. Slid right on there just where the other one was. And the back plate does have a foam piece on the back of that too. Help insulate that a little bit. You have to plug in the wire after you stick it through there. It did come with a new plate for the front of this, and there is a new catch plate for that side if you need to replace that as well. Okay, we've got our door handle all installed. I've replaced the old one, just plug and play, real easy. It latches and opens the door nice and solid. So I really like the door latch. Let's go ahead and put some batteries in it and we can test out the remote feature. In case of the battery dying or some sort of failure, there is a key hole as well, and the remotes have the built-in key just like on your car. So you can slide that in there and you can operate the bolt lock with the key. So in case a battery dies or some sort of failure, you can do it the old-fashioned way. Okay, the lock comes pre-programmed with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the password. So to lock it, you just push the ONNAIS button. I don't know if you'll be able to see that on the camera, but the little deadbolt slid out. To unlock it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, check mark. Slid the lock back in. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Shut. It is locked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Works like a charm. Now to program the remotes. The door lock did come with 2 key fobs. You can add additional key fobs, and you can do up to 6 for each lock. So I've got these programmed to this lock now, and I just hit the lock button. Just hit the lock button and it slides out. Unlock button, slides back in. So now we'll be able to lock and unlock the RV from the remote controls. This lock from ONNAIS was really easy to install. It fit right in the factory hole where the original lock came off of. I would highly recommend these to anyone looking for a quick upgrade to your RV. It allows for the punch pad entry, which is what I really wanted, but then they also have the remotes as well. Overall, this has been a fantastic upgrade and I'd highly recommend it.